Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get the frame feature on Instagram. So the frame feature is the newest feature on Instagram where you can add a Polaroid frame, the shake to reveal Instagram story. So to get it, you can just make sure that your Instagram is on the latest version, so you can find out it on the Play Store. You can just click on Instagram, and in here, if there is no update notification in here, so that means your Instagram is already up to date. So you can just go to Instagram, and here click on the plus to your story, start creating your story, choosing the background first. So go to photos, and here select the photos that you want as the background. For example, I'm going to use this photo, and after that you can click on the sticker icon at the top, then choose this frame. You can see there is the frames feature in here, so click on that. And after this, you can just select the photo. After you select a photo, you can add a captions. For example, I'm going to just use this emoticon emoji, love emoji. Click on done, and after that, here your followers need to shake this photo to reveal it. This photos right here. You can adjust the position of the photo to your liking, and after that you can just upload it. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.